Hi guys, welcome to week 2. I wanted to give you some video instructions for this week. You know, it is President's Day, so the campus is closed. However, we are not scheduled to meet this week anyway, but I wanted to go over Module 2 with you. This week, you're going to continue to work on your Eckers assignment. So I'm going to go under instructions and it will actually show you what we're working on. Now, as you know, we went through this assignment already in class, but if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. However, here is some more information. So again, the assignment is due on the 28th, and it has some overviews for you to look at in the videos, and then the actual assignment, again, like I said, we have already gone through this in class, but it is a study and plan of action worth 100 points, and it's at Eckers, and it will tell you exactly what to do for the points and then where you're actually going to score, what part of the book are you going to score. Okay, let's see, I'm going to go back to the actual module. So there's directions under the instructions, and then there's also instructions and video information under the assignment tab as well. And that is all we're working on this week. Continue working on it. If you have any questions, please email me under here, right here, questions for the professor. That goes directly to my email, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Most of the time, a lot sooner. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week in class.